Hi, GM. My name is Shubham, and today I'll be explaining you guys about web app that I've recently made. It is a it is a video encoder platform kind of a thing where you can upload your video and you can get multiple types of resolutions of that particular video converted to you. So, what tech stacks that I've used for this? Is particularly Node.js for frontend, and for backend I've used Express, and also for transcoding the videos I've used FFmpeg, which is used for handling multiple types of MIME type of files, which are MP4, MP3s, and yeah, that's the whole stuff that I'll be talking to you guys today. So with that, let's start. So yeah, this is my GitHub. So I think it's not that important. So let me first give you guys about uh what it basically does and how it does, right? So let me like explain you like what it does and how the clean your user experience would be. So you first upload a video. Also, there's a 500 MB max size limit, and you can uh, first, let me upload or process a video of 12 MB size. Then we will upload for video which is of 120 MB, which are downloaded from YouTube. So there are multiple output qualities, as you can see here, as SD, which is 650 into 360, which is 360p, and HD, which is 720p, and Full HD, which is 1080p. Yes, you guys already know. So first you have to, like, if you want to, you can choose all three, or if you want, you can only pick one or two. It's yours choice. So first, let's go with SD, or like you can like go with all three of. Let's go with three. Like you can start the encoding. The data is converted into buffer, and then it is sent to the backend. Uh, we'll use Multer for buffering the whole video, and yeah, it is sent to backend. And yeah, there's a file size limit that I've set because we have limited computing power. So yeah, as you can see, the input file was 12 MB in size. Let me show you here. As you can see here, 12 MB size. And if you play this video, which is like high quality video of a cat, release pause, and after that we transcoded the videos. As you can see here, I've used multi-threading for wait. As you can see here, multi-threading I've used for converting like for transcoding the videos. But as you can see here, I'm processing whole three types of resolution at once. As you can see here, 360p, 720p, and 1080p at once, which is where the multi-threading concept comes in use. As you can see here, the original file was 12 MB, and the converted file is been 0.93 MB for 360p, for 3.72 MB for 720p, and yeah, 10.16 MB for this 1080p video. And also you can download it. Yeah, I have to basically create this more user interactive video card, as you can say. Yeah, so let's upload some bigger files. Like you see here, 117 MB, right? We have to upload this and this is sent to the backend. Since it is a full HD format, we it will take time. But yeah, as you can see here, the backend is processing all three of them at single point of time without with using multi-threading. Let me show you guys in my as you can see here, my CPU is being used 100%. As you can see here, since I've been using multi-threading for converting the video, also my RAM is being consumed. Okay, that's the stuff. And I've changed to this side. Uh, yeah, it's being converted over here. Let's go here. I think you can use WebSockets for getting the like whichever. whichever type of quality of video is transcoded, we should basically send it directly to the user without them you waiting for 360p, 720p, and 1080p. All three of qualities are coming together as a one uh, call. But yeah, let me show you the console also. Like when the video will come, they will show you the transcoded videos. Over here also, you guys you know, be curious about like how am I transferring the videos from backend to front end using like how can one transfer the videos, right? So I've been using this base64 conversion for the whole video. Let me show you how am I handling it. For in backend, I've been using base64 to convert the video buffer into the base64 string, and in the front end, I've been yeah, yes, over here when we basically take the base64 data which is logged into this console, we basically put the data over here, and like this whole uh, you can say component is being sorry, over here, as you can see, right? So the original file was 117 MB, but the 360p is converted to 35 MB, and the 720p is 90 MB, and oh my god, this 1080p is being like the largest, like it is the like more in size than the original uploaded video. So as you can see, it basically converts and transport the videos in the like whatever format or qualities that you want. Sorry, qualities that you want first of all, and yeah. So let's give it some technical stuff. So let me start with you can say front end. Okay, so we've been we created some of the states or selected file, which is the file, and also there's a drag and drop feature. So we are using this dragging state for like updating it. Like if the dragging is true, then we have to use this some stuff, and this is the error one. It's a set progress. So you've seen the bar over here when the transcoding happened. I know it's not good right now, but I do it. And second point is also you have to update this state every time the user selects or think like all the qualities. Like if I yeah, so you can give true, false, and all. If so we update these states every time the user chooses any type of qualities. Also, we have actually put the labels like what format are those SD 640 and like you can say you can write it over here SD 60p and 720p and 1080p stuff, but yeah, it's okay, right? So these are the some of the handle states, handle functions, and yeah, set selected qualities. Also, this is the backend call. Transcode multi resolutions also is being sent in the query format. And after that, yeah, the comma separated query format, of course. And after that is the post method. The response is logged, which is here. This is the response from the backend. This is the data, and these are the three formatted files which basically came, as you can see, 37 MB, which is this, and 94 90 MB, which is this, and this 153 or 146 MB. For this is a conversion issue over here, as I can see, but yeah, it works. And yeah, after fetching the video, we are basically handling the video in the blob using this base64 conversion of any type of video. As you can see here, video MP4, we can also write over here image or SVGs, XML format. We can like handle, we can like play with any type of formatting that you want using this blob kind of a thing, which basically internet offers, right? So yeah, these are some setter functions of the user states, sorry, states, and this is a thing. Also, yeah, as you can see here on drag leaf set dragging false. This is a function. if like the user drags something over this component, then it basically runs some events. So those events basically catches if there's something on that window, that particular div or particular window, and then they basically set this so that the dragging should stop. After that, this upload button, as you can see here, and after that, yeah, selected qualities. Of course, you basically select all the qualities over here, and after that, these are some file change functions which are called if user basically like put some video over here, and if it changes his mind to update another video, the whole state is changed, and also the event is filed for handle file change, and basically refreshes this particular div or component. After that, start transcoding this thing and basically handle this progress bar over here. And after that, we basically take the videos in the format of data, that blob kind of thing that I already explained you guys. So after that, you basically print over the all kind of thing, that size, you can see that well, after basically, yeah, we can like do it, right? So we print the size and the URLs, and if you are not, if you fail to fetch the data, then your browser does not support the video tag, of course. So yeah, this is the whole front end kind of thing, and like let's move towards let's move towards the backend. What exactly? Whew. Okay, so in backend we are using multiple kind of things, file system and OS, because I am storing the transcoded videos for some time in my temporary storage of my machine. It is wrong. I have to store it on my RAM for like right now. Until unless the video is being processed, you have to store it on RAM or some space. We are like even create some S3 bucket. What is the bandwidth cost will be there, because you have to fetch we have to basically store the image first. You have to fetch the image, transport it, and you have to send it on into S3. And then after that, there is a bandwidth cost of sending that particular image on S3 to image or video on S3 to the particular user. Right, we have only cost of bandwidth, which is I think more. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, we can optimize it. We can use any database or any particular machine. We can have their configure their IPs and can interact with them. So yeah, that's another kind of thing. But yeah, we're using Multer for converting the whole video into the buffer, storing that particular buffer on temporary for our like directory in our temp storage of my laptop. And after that, we yeah, as you can see, always a tmdr video transcoder. There's a word has been made. If not, then sync it. Like make it. I don't know why they do not provide the sync method. Like until unless it doesn't get resolved, the execution counter stops over here. So I think it is not good. They should make it a sync. Okay, so after that, this resolution, like for 360p, we have like width. These are things which are constants, 720p or 1080p. After that, this save buffer temp. Okay, so let me not do this like this. Yeah, so let's go with this. The video is basically uh, posted on this particular route, and then the video is get to using rec request.query. Uh, you can get the resolutions like which we basically provided in the page.js over here. This selected resolution. I'm sorry. Yeah, here you can see if whatever qualities that you select, it basically be sent to the index.js. Let's go back in. So yeah, after that, this is the we basically save it to buffer, and yeah, this is used for saving that particular thing to buffer. And after that, where's this app.post tutorial.f app.post. Yeah. So after being sent into the input path is decided that where the particular buffer is saved in the particular system. And after that, this is where it stay saved. Like this is my, I guess. Let me show you, as the file was too big. I guess, yeah. So this is stored in app data temp, as you can see here, and in the video transcoder folder, the output and the particular name of the file, and also the resolution that is being converted. So also this gets deleted, right? This gets deleted. Otherwise my temp would be, so filled. Okay, let me show you guys also that if it is being deleted or not. Let me just copy this and name in the file explorer. For the path, as you can see here, this folder is currently empty. But if we create anything, this gets filled with the transported videos, also the buffers, and then it basically gets the buffers uh, and basically transcode it using FFmpeg, and afterward it sends to the user. So yeah, transcode it. How will you transcode it, right? So this is the map function, as you can say, a for loop is called, being called over here. If it's not in resolutions that are where basically, so it is for middleware check, right? We have to do this so that there won't be any issues. Also, there's also a middleware here, which is being provided by Multer. This is the single method, Multer, which is a request handler and processes multiple files sharing the same field. This is the docs of Multer. Or you can say type safety thing. Maximum number of files to process default infinity. If there is a number, if there is not decided to the how many files to be processed at a single time, it would be directed to the infinity. And then like if manage or do things with infinite number of files. So after that, we basically transcode the video. This is the main function. We go to this function and we basically see how does this happen. Like also this data function for which the particular file is being processed. Let me show you guys. I think this is the file name. No, I don't know. What's the date today? 19. Yeah, I'll show you this afterwards. But yeah, that particular width, height, and bit rate we get from resolutions. But for particular resolution, this is being called multiple times for multiple types of resolution, like 360p for the 700 and 1080p on multiple threads, of course. And this is the FFmpeg. It takes the input path. Yeah, it has some methods like size, like what the size would be, what is the video bitrate would be, and what would be the format, of course, MP4. So the output options, which are basically flags, which let me show you what does this mean. So this is the codec format. So this one is the codec format, and also this is the preset. This is the concentrate factor, which is the quality, and this is the audio format, and this is the bitrate of that particular audio. Yeah, this is for streaming purposes. Like we have to stream that particular input which is provided by user to the FFmpeg for converting into the transcoded, basically whichever transcoded resolution that you want. And after that, it basically that on start command line. It basically runs on command line. It basically takes all the video parts and how many. Also, this works for only once for 360p, but we are using multi-threading, so it is being run on for three resolution at once. If you choose in the front end, like for all the three of qualities, as you can see here. Cool. Okay, let me just drop it down and After that, it basically dot save output path. Output path is same as input path. Okay, cool. After that, it returns. No, not this. Yeah, output path. It basically pushes into the output paths, which is a array of strings. And after that, and yeah, as you can see here, this is a map function. For each resolution, it gets called each time, right? For 360p, it called and then it gets basically transcoded over here, this FFmpeg transcode video function, and afterwards it basically returns the path where the video is saved, and then afterwards here in output paths, it basically returns, it returns that particular transcoded video uh, path. Afterwards, it basically takes, like as you can see here, fs.promises.stat. It basically takes the video from over here, and also it basically uses size function to uh, determine the size of that particular function. Basically returns it. Also, we have to see how it will work in the production, because we have to we have to determine the paths of where we would be storing the input videos, where we would be storing the transcoded videos, and how we would be providing that particular thing to the user, because we have to use S3 for that. It is not possible for user to view any type of video in our particular database itself, because we will not be providing the database for the user to see. We have to use some S3 kind of a thing to basically provide the user the videos which are transcoded on our platform. So yeah, we basically done it. Status. uh, yeah, this is the promises that we basically are putting, so that if you remove this, there would be an error, because we are using resolutions. So we are basically returning the whole result. So this is the function for the one thing, but we are waiting for each transcoding to happen, right? If transcoding basically if this promise gets resolved or rejects, we'll get errors or success on our ending. So we're basically halting the execution over here, that you should not go further in the code. You should basically resolve this promise to basically convert all that required, or needed transcoding for the user. So after that, you should so it would like basically uh, send it. Even I was just streaming it, man. We can, yeah, it would get an error, if because yeah, we cannot do these. We cannot like wait for we have to wait for first of all, but we cannot send if one 360p video is converted, then we have to send it. No, we cannot do that, because we have to this particular map function is being called at that time, because the 720p is not like if 360p video is is sent to the user, the 720p video is getting still resolved. So this would cause an error. So we have to provide the promises over here to halt the execution until the particular video is being converted into those required quality of transcoding to the user. We should stop for that. Also, then after that, we are basically taking that particular buffer which is being transcoded by the FFmpeg to this particular path, in the output path, which is over here, output path. Yeah, yeah. We have to take the buffer, we convert it to the string, and in the base64 format, which is a blob, we convert it into the blob, and we send it to the front end. These are some error handling, and this is also for Multer. Like if the file size limit, which is I have defined over here, wait, let me which is 500 MB, which is not being shown over here right now. Yeah, that's over here. This is a different function. This is to start basically. So as you can see here, this is and we have to stop it since YouTube will Let me charge for that. Cool. So this is how you convert the videos. So yeah, I think you guys would like it. Hope you liked it. So yeah, I think that's been my time. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'll be providing you guys about this repository. If you can come, I also had an idea like we can like uh create some kind of a WebSocket kind of a thing. Like we can like stream the videos in 360 format first, and after that we, if the similarity format that particular transcoding is done, then we can like send this first. Then after that we'll be still processing the 1080p, so the user won't be able to stop. Like the user should see something on the screen, right? We should like see that 360p format is a smaller transcoding kind of a thing, so that it should occur first. Then afterwards, the other formats, other qualities should like appear in the particular front end. So I thought if you guys want to, this is the I will provide this to repository link. If this is public, you can like go with it, go have fun, and yeah. So if you want to, then you can like create issues, pull PRs. You can like be up, you know, whatever you kind of thing, you can do it. I have to update the readmes also, so you can like use it. Also, this front end video which is not working right now because I have to update the backend over to the some services which is AWS or microservice or any kind of a thing. So this is not being done right now, but uh, at some point I will do it. You can like use AWS or something. So yeah, I think that's been my time. If you guys have anything, please do ask me. And thank you so much. And bye. See you.